Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay expenses in FreeAgent. We'll walk through recording an expense you've paid for and getting it into your accounts properly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save it so it shows up in your expense records. Start by signing into your FreeAgent account and heading to the overview. This is your dashboard, the place where you can see a snapshot of your business finances. From here, we'll jump straight into expenses. At the top of the screen, look for the expenses option in the main navigation. It usually sits alongside other core areas like invoices and banking. If your menu is condensed, expand it so you can see expenses clearly. Go ahead and click expenses to open your expense list. On the expenses page, move to the top right and click Add New. This is where you create a fresh record for a cost you've incurred. From the drop-down options, choose Expense. This tells FreeAgent that you're logging a one-off cost rather than something like mileage or a time slip. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type. Click Payment. Use payment when you're recording money that's already been paid out, such as a card purchase, cash, or a payment from your business bank account. This keeps your bookkeeping tidy and helps FreeAgent match the transaction later if you're importing bank feeds. Now choose a category. Click Accommodation. This is just an example of a common business cost, and it ensures the expense is reported in the right place for your accounts. If your expense is for a different purpose, you'd simply select the most accurate category for that cost. Before saving, make sure the details are complete and accurate. Enter the date of the expense to match your receipt. Add a clear description, like the venue or purpose, so it's easy to recognize later. Fill in the total amount and select the correct sales tax or VAT treatment if it applies to you. If FreeAgent allows attachments on this screen, it's a good idea to attach a photo or PDF of your receipt so everything is stored together. Double check that the payment method reflects how you actually paid. Once you're happy with everything, click Create New Expense. FreeAgent will save the record and add it to your expenses list. From there, you can review it, filter by category, and reconcile it against your bank transactions as needed. That's it. You've successfully recorded a paid expense in FreeAgent, categorized it as accommodation, and saved it to your books. Thanks for watching.